Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the camera app. Open it now and point the lens at the QR code. Make sure autofocus engages and keep the phone steady. About 6 to 12 inches away usually works best. If the phone asks for camera permission, grant it so scanning can proceed. Once the code fills the frame and focus locks, wait a beat for the detection banner or pop-up to appear. That notification is what lets you act on the code without needing an extra app. Once the camera detects the QR code, you'll see a banner or card with a preview or action. Tap that to proceed. You might open a URL, add contact info, or connect to Wi-Fi depending on the code contents. If your phone shows multiple results, shift position or zoom slightly to isolate the one you want. That minimizes missed apps. Make sure you read the preview before accepting actions, because tapping executes what the code contains. After tapping the notification, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the action. Open the website, save the contact, or join the Wi-Fi network. If the camera doesn't detect the code, clean the lens, add more light, or move closer until the code fills the frame, then try again. If that fails, close and reopen the camera app or restart the phone, and as a last resort, use a reputable QR scanner app. That usually resolves stubborn detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.